I don't think I've ever seen this park this quiet. Never. Never, never, never. It's always super crowded with people. Hello Internet, welcome to another pedestrian street photography POV video. I am your ghost KK. Today I am on Ningbo Road in Shanghai. It might be a little bit reminiscent of a ghost town here on this street today, although you see lots of people walking and riding motorbikes. Most of the shops here are closed due to the Spring Festival. So I think I'm gonna take some shots of some perhaps empty places that are just not very busy. Places that I might not otherwise feel comfortable stopping to shoot. I'm shooting today with my A7R4 from Sony, and the lens I'm using is my 50mm f1.2. Lots of super busy little shops here. I think people are still preparing their snacks and buying food for their Spring Festival meals. I definitely did not choose wisely when I decided to come down this street today. The pedestrian street here in Shanghai is super crowded. When I got off the metro, I checked it out and it was already flooded with people, even though it wasn't even 10 o'clock, which is the time most shops open. The pedestrian street, or East Nanjing Road as it's known, was already people melt and people see. But I may go back that way and take a lot of photos of people, and I'm sure there are plenty of Spring Festival decorations that I can capture. I do love this old architecture, though I usually don't shoot it when I come here. All right, well, it happened. I walked back to East Nanjing Road. And I think it is mandatory that I take a shot of the Oriental Pearl TV tower. Hopefully I can get a decent shot with my 50mm without too many trees. I might already be too close. So I can't quite see. Trying to get a reflection in this puddle. Can just get a slice. One small difficulty that I have here in China is that I am not inconspicuous. I try to be a ninja, but it is seriously impossible. When you're 190 centimeters, that's 6'2", you tend to stand out here in China. Even when I'm masked up, they can still see my green eyes. So it really is quite impossible to not be so obvious. I don't think I've ever seen this park this quiet. Never. Never, never, never. It's always super crowded with people. All of these empty benches. I've never seen this before. Maybe on my way back to the metro, I will sit in every one of those benches, sit in every seat.